Good morning, dear students. Today we will start our third chapter, Microsoft Word 2010 with mail merge. At the end of the chapter, students will able to know about header and footer, footnote and endnote, tables, mail merge. Student, first of all, I will tell you about Microsoft Word. Is a word processor developed by Microsoft. ये क्या है? एक टाइप का वर्ड प्रोसेसर है. इसे किसने डेवलप किया है? माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ने. Is a graphical word processing. It is a graphical word processing program that users can type. It is made by the computer company Microsoft. Who made this? Microsoft company made this. Okay. And mail merge means mail merge consists of combining mail and letters. Okay. Combining mail and letters. The feature is usually employed in a word processing. इसका फीचर काय में एम्प्लॉयड किया गया है? वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग में. Now see, we have learned that MS Word 2010 has many existing features that let us create Word documents, edit and format them with ease and efficiency. Word 2010 has many more existing features like header and footer, footnote and endnote, and table with which we can give a professional look to our documents. Okay, header, footer, footnote and endnote, and table. ये क्या है? प्रोफेशनल लुक है. ओके, टू विच वी गिव प्रोफेशनल लुक टू आवर डॉक्यूमेंट्स को कुछ लुक देना हो तो हमें किसका यूज़ करना पड़ेगा? हेडर, फुटर, फुटनोट एंड एंड नोट का. MS Word 2010 also has a wonderful feature called mail merge that offers us sending customized mails to mail recipient at one go. Okay, you can send the mail with the feature of it is called mail merge. In order to understand all this in a better way, let us read this chapter. Okay, we will study now this chapter. Header and footer. First of all, see header and footer. Students, header means what? Header refers to supplemental data. Headers क्या है? It is referred to supplemental data placed at the beginning of data stored or transmitted. Header is a section of the document. ये क्या है? वन टाइप का सेक्शन है डॉक्यूमेंट का. That appears at the top of each page and footer is a section of the document that appears the bottom of each page. इसका क्या है? Header at the top of each page, and footer section is the document that appears at the bottom of each page. Footer means what? In a word processing, the page footer of a printed page is a section located under the main text or body. Okay, now see, using the header and footer feature, you can automatically number the pages of your document. Not only that, you can also insert the other text and graphics on the top and bottom of every page. Now see students, inserting header and footer. उसके कुछ स्टेप बताए गए आपको हेडर फुटर इंसर्ट करने के लिए. इंसर्टिंग हेडर एंड फुटर. टू इंसर्ट हेडर एंड फुटर, फॉलोइंग स्टेप्स शुड बी फॉलोड. नाउ वी विल सी दैट. Step number 1, click on the insert tab. First of all, you have to click on insert tab. Step number 2, in the header and footer group, click on the header button. You have to click on the header button. The header gallery opens up. हेडर बटन पे क्लिक करने के बाद क्या ओपन होगा? हेडर गैलरी. Step number 3, click on the blank header style or choose any other style according to your requirement. First of all, you have to click on the blank header style or choose any other style according to your requirement. The design tab will appear under header and footer tool. The design tab किधर appear होगा? Under header and footer tools. Now see students, step number 4, type the text in the header area. You have to type the text in the header area. Now see here, one picture has shown the design tab under header and footer tools. Okay, ये क्या है? डिजाइन टैब इधर आपको दिखाई दे रहा है हेडर. इन द पिक्चर यू आर सीइंग हेडर and in downside footer is there. Okay, and here see up the upside header and footer tools are there. Okay, all the options are shown here. See here header, footer, page number at the left hand side in the corner. Now see step number 5, click on go to footer button in the navigation group of the design tab. डिजाइन टैब में आपको नेविगेशन ग्रुप पे footer click on go to footer button in the navigation group. The cursor appears in the footer area. The cursor appear in the footer area. नीचे आपको footer area में cursor appear हो जाएगा. Type the text in the footer area. Step number 6. Click on close header and footer button in the close group or press the ESC key. What you have to do? Click on close header and footer button in the close group or press the ESC key on the keyboard. Okay. Now see here, editing or deleting header and footer. Editing or deleting header and footer. To edit or delete the header or footer, following steps should be followed. Now see the steps. Step number 1, डबल क्लिक इन द हेडर और फुटर एरिया. आपको डबल क्लिक करना है इधर हेडर और फुटर एरिया में जो आपको पिक्चर में दिखाई दे रहा है. ओके, इन दिस पिक्चर यू हैव टू डबल क्लिक इज इन हेडर और फुटर. आफ्टरवर्ड्स स्टेप नंबर 2, एडिट और डिलीट द रिक्वायर्ड टेक्स्ट. एडिट और डिलीट द रिक्वायर्ड टेक्स्ट. आपको डिलीट करना हो तो आप डिलीट कर सकते हैं या एडिट करना हो तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, एडिट. Step number 3, click on close header and footer button in the close group of design tab. Afterwards you have to click on close header and footer button in the close group of design tab. Now see here, now we start footnote and endnote. Footnote and endnote. Footnote means what? Footnote are placed at the bottom of a page. Are placed at the bottom of a page. Bottom पे क्या है, footnote place की गई. They reference or designated part of the text above it. Okay, they reference or designated part of the text above it. Now see, footnotes and endnotes can be found at the end of a page. Footnotes and endnotes can be found at a end of a page. And endnote means what? Is a commercial reference management. Means to manage and reference while writing essays and articles. Okay, to manage and reference when you are writing essays and articles. Now see, footnotes and endnotes can be found at the end of a page or at the end of a document respectively. These are generally used while writing books by writer. कब यूज़ किया जाता है ये? These are generally used while writing books by writer. जब राइटर कोई बुक राइट करता है जब इसका यूज़ किया जाता है. क्या है? They can provide a writer's comment on the main text or give the meaning of or related details about the marked text. For example, now see one example. For example, the footnote and endnote may give names of the other reference books that can be found on the same topic that the writer is writing about. The writer usually places a teeny number or symbol next to the subject to bring the reader's attention to it. This is called the note reference mark. Then at the very bottom of the page, the same teeny number will reappear and next to this number will be the name of the reference material the author wants the reader to refer to. Okay. First of all, I already tell you that footnote are placed at the bottom of a page. Footnote किधर present हो place किया गया है bottom of a page. The reference or designated part of the text above it. An endnote is a commercial reference to manage the reference when writing essays and articles. Now see students, the difference between footnote and endnote is that footnotes are the given end of a page, whereas endnotes are given at the end of the document. Endnotes किधर देते हैं? End of the document. Now see students, inserting footnotes and endnotes. Inserting footnotes and endnotes. Some steps are there. To insert footnote and endnotes, following steps should be followed. Some step you should be followed while inserting footnotes and endnotes. Step number 1, place the cursor where you want to insert a footnote or endnote. Place the cursor. Step number 2, click on the reference tab. Click on the reference tab. In the footnotes group, click on insert footnote or insert endnote button. Type the required text for the footnote or endnote. Now see this picture. The footnotes group in the reference tab. Footnotes group is in the reference tab. Okay. See here at the upside, insert endnote, next footnote, show notes, insert footnote, alternative plus control plus F, add a footnote to the document. इधर आपको क्या करना है, footnote add करना है. Now see step number 3, double click on the footnote endnote reference number to return the document. What you have to do, you have to double click on the footnote endnote reference number to return to the document. Now see editing footnote or endnote. How to edit footnote or endnote? To edit the footnote or endnote, following steps should be followed. Some steps you have to follow. Step number 1, click on the footnotes or endnotes to edit or format the text. Click on the footnotes or endnotes to edit or format the text. Step number 2, if you wish to change the position of the footnote or endnote, click on the footnotes launcher in the footnotes group of the reference tab. Reference tab में आपको footnotes group पे क्या करना है, क्लिक करना है. After that, the footnote and endnote dialog box appear. The footnotes and endnote dialog box will appear. See here. Here shown footnotes bottom of page. Okay. Here the option endnotes, format number 1 2 3. All are shown. Custom mark. Okay. Now step number 3, make the desired changes and click on insert. Step number 3, make the desired changes and click on insert. That will be inserted. Now see tables. Okay. Now we will see students about tables. Tables is an arrangement of data. Tables क्या है, is an arrangement of data in rows and columns. Now see tables are used in documents to organize and present information. काय के लिए? Documents organize and present information is an effective format. They can be used to create inserting page layout. Also they can be used to create inserting page layouts. A table is made up of horizontal rows and vertical column. टेबल कैसा क्रिएट किया जाता है, हॉरिजॉन्टल रोज, ओके, एंड वर्टिकल कॉलम्स. ओके, दिस आर योर लुकिंग column number 1, column number 2, column number 3. These are the columns and these are the rows. Okay, this arrow has shown here. ये क्या है, रोज है जो पिक्चर में आपको दिखाई दे रहा है. ओके, horizontal rows and vertical columns. The intersection of a row and column is called a cell. A table is made of horizontal rows and vertical column. The intersection of a row and a column is called a cell. We can fill a cell with text, number and graphics. सेल कैसा फिल कर सकते हैं आप, उसमें हम नंबर डाल सकते हैं या फिर कोई टेक्स्ट टाइप कर सकते हैं. ओके, टेक्स्ट, नंबर्स एंड ग्राफिक्स, या फिर हम ग्राफ बता सकते हैं उसमें. नाउ सी यूजिंग द टेबल बटन. हाउ टू यूज द टेबल button. To insert table using the table button, following steps should be followed. Some steps are there. Step number 1, place the cursor where you want to insert the table. First of all, you have to place the cursor where you want to insert the table. Step number 2, click on the insert tab. Step number 3, click on the table button in the tables group. A drop down grid appears. Okay, like this is shown in the picture. जैसा आपको पिक्चर में दिखाई दे रहा है. यूजिंग द टेबल बटन फ्रॉम द इंसर्ट टैब टू इंसर्ट द टेबल. सी हियर एट द अप साइड, हियर द बटन हैज शोन. ओके, सी एट द टॉप yellow color is there. Okay, here table, click on the table button. You have to click on the table button. See here tables are there, you have to click on that. Now see step number 4, drag the mouse to select the number of rows and column. आपको क्या करना है, माउस को ड्रैग करना है. आपको जितने भी रोज और कॉलम सिलेक्ट करने हैं इन द ग्रिड गिवन. ओके, सपोज यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट 4 rows and 4 columns, so you have to select 4. okay, then 4 column और 4 rows आपको क्या हो जाएगी, उधर दिखाई देगी. ओके, ड्रैग हो जाएगी उधर वो. Step number 5, release the mouse button to create the button at the insertion point. Release the mouse button to create the table at the insertion point. Now see using the insert option. Now we will see using the insert option. To insert a table using the insert table option, following steps should be followed. Step number 1, place the cursor where you want to insert the table. Step number 2, click on the insert tab. Step number 3, click on the table button in the tables group. Step number 4, click on the insert table option. The insert table dialog box will appear. Insert table dialog box. This is what insert table dialog box. See here. It has been shown here. Okay. You are looking in this picture. This is what insert table dialog box. Step number 5, under table size, enter the number of column and rows you want. टेबल साइज में आपको क्या है, नंबर एंटर करना है. सी हियर नाउ नंबर ऑफ कॉलम 5. दे हैव टेकन नंबर ऑफ कॉलम कितने लिए, कॉलम्स कितने लिए उन्होंने 5 एंड नंबर ऑफ रोज कितने 2. देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द ओके बटन. ओके, दैट इट विल अपीयर like this. In this picture it will appear like this. Okay, now see step number 6. Under auto fit behavior, choose option to adjust the table size. Okay, and step number 7, click on OK to insert the table. Click on the OK to insert the table. Now see students, using quick tables. Using quick table, you can select a pre-designed table template and insert it in your Word document by using the quick table option. For example, if you want to create a calendar, you can choose any ready-made built-in style from the option provided. This saves your plenty of time. For example क्या दिया, if you want to create a calendar आपको create करना है, you can choose any ready-made built-in style from the option provided. This saves your plenty of time. To access table quickly, following steps should be followed. कुछ steps है, देखो इधर अभी. Place the cursor where you want to place the quick table. आपको cursor press करना है, place करना है where you want to place the quick table. Step number 2, click on the insert tab. Click on the insert tab. Step number 3, click on the table button in the tables group. Table button पे click करना है tables group में. Step number 4, select the quick tables option. The built-in styles of tables appear. Then afterwards, you can insert any pre-designed template in your Word document. You can insert any pre-designed template in your Word document. See here the built-in styles of tables. This is what the built-in styles of table. इधर बताया गया है आपको कैलेंडर. ओके, now see, moving around the table, there are some keys that can be used to perform special function within the table. These are called shortcut keys. ये सब क्या है, शॉर्टकट कीज है. टू मूव अराउंड द टेबल यूजिंग द फॉलोइंग शॉर्टकट कीज. आपको टेबल को क्रिएट करने के लिए कुछ शॉर्टकट्स की बताए गए. ओके, स्पेशल फंक्शन विद इन द टेबल, दिस कॉल्ड शॉर्टकट की. टू मूव अराउंड द टेबल यूजिंग द फॉलोइंग शॉर्टकट की. आपको टैब, ओके, कीज, सी हियर नाउ, कीज, टैब, कीज एंड मूवमेंट, टैब द नेक्स्ट सेल इन ए रो, shift plus tab the previous cell in a row, alternative plus page up the top cell in a column, alternative plus page down the bottom cell in a column, alternative plus home the current rows first cell, and alternative plus end the current row last cell. Okay, ये सब क्या है, शॉर्टकट कीज है. Now see, entering text in a table. How to enter a text in a table? After creating a table, you can enter text it by clicking and typing in the cell in which you want to enter text. जो भी कुछ टेक्स्ट आपको एंटर करना है तो आप इसमें टाइप कर सकते हो. ओके, कुछ भी अगर आपको टाइप करना हो तो. नाउ सी हियर व्हाट दे हैव टाइप. ईच सेल इन द टेबल कैन कंटेन वन और मोर पैराग्राफ्स ऑफ टेक्स्ट. ओके, दिस टाइप ऑफ टेक्स्ट you can type, and the text automatically wraps within its cell. It is a good practice to give a heading to each column to identify the content within it. Enter text in a table. आपको एक टेक्स्ट एंटर करना है टेबल में. टेबल क्रिएट करने के बाद. ओके, नाउ सी selecting text in a table. How to select a text in a table? While working with the table, you might need to select parts of the table. To select text in a table, following steps should be followed. Step number 1, click anywhere inside the table. Anywhere you have to click inside the table. Step number 2, click on the table tools layout group. Click on the table tools layout tab. Step number 3, click on the select button in the table group. A drop down grid appears with 4 different options. See here, option appear by clicking the select button in the table group. Options are there. Select करने के बाद select cell, select column, select row, select table. These are the 4 options. Step number 4, then click on the required option for the select button. जो भी आपको select करना है आप उस पर क्लिक कर सकते हो. इधर जो आपको इधर दिखाई दे रहा है, select cell, select column, select row, select table. Now see, for quick selection of text, following steps should be followed. Quick selection करने के लिए some steps you have to follow. Okay. Step number 1, to select a cell, click on the left edge of the cell. The insertion point of the cell will change to an arrow pointing upwards and the cell will get highlighted. Step number 2, to select a column, click the first cell in the row and drag the mouse pointer vertically to select multiple columns. Now move the cursor right or left. Okay, these are the steps for selection of text. Okay, for quick selection of text. Now see here, selecting a cell, जो स्टेप्स में बताया गया था वो इधर आपको दिखाई दे रहा है. Selecting a cell and selecting a column. Step number 3, to select a row, click the first cell in the row and drag the mouse pointer horizontally. To select a row, click the first cell in the row and drag the mouse pointer horizontally to select multiple rows. Now move the cursor down. Step number 4, to select the entire table, click on the placeholder at the top of corner. Okay. Top left corner of the table. Here selecting a column A. Now see here, selecting a row like this and selecting the entire table. सिर्फ आपको रो सिलेक्टिंग ए रो, आपने क्या किया है, रो सिलेक्ट किया है और एंटायर टेबल सिलेक्ट करने आपको पूरा सिलेक्ट करना है जो आपको पिक्चर्स में दिखाई दे रहा है. ओके, लाइक दिस यू हैव टू डू. नाउ सी फॉर्मेटिंग टेक्स्ट इन ए टेबल. फॉर्मेटिंग टेक्स्ट इन ए टेबल. फॉर्मेटिंग टेक्स्ट मतलब क्या? इज डिस्प्लेड इन स्पेशल स्टाइल. फॉर्मेटिंग टेक्स्ट मीन्स व्हाट? इट डिस्प्लेड इन स्पेशल स्टाइल. एग्जाम्पल फॉन्ट साइज और कलर. जैसे आप फॉन्ट साइज डिफरेंट कर सकते हो या कलर चेंज कर सकते हो, उसे क्या बोलते हैं? फॉर्मेटिंग टेक्स्ट. नाउ सी द टेबल टूल्स लेआउट टैब हैज वेरियस टूल्स दैट let you format and adjust a table. Click anywhere in your table to highlight the table tools layout tab. You can perform a number of functions on a table with the help of this tab. The table tools layout tab. See this table to layout tab. This is इधर आपको सब दिखाई दे रहा है. ओके, मर्ज सेल, स्प्लिट, इंसर्ट, बिलो, लेफ्ट, राइट. ओके, text direction, cell margin or move the text left, right. Okay, now see deleting cells, column or row. How to delete cells, column or row? To delete cells, column or rows, following steps should be followed. Step number 1, select the cell, column or row that you want to delete. Step number 2, click on the delete option in the row and columns group on the table tools layout tab. A drop down grid appear. Step number 3, select the appropriate option. If you choose delete cell, a dialog box appear. Use this to decide what you want to do with other cells in the row or column. Okay, select the appropriate option. If you choose delete cell, a dialog box appear. Use this to decide what you want to do with other cell in the row or column. And step number 4 is click on the appropriate button and then click on OK. To delete the entire table, click on delete table group. अगर आपको सब पूरा टेबल डिलीट करना हो तो आपको किधर क्लिक करना पड़ेगा? टू डिलीट एंटायर टेबल, क्लिक ऑन डिलीट टेबल ग्रुप. सी हियर द डिलीट टेबल drop down grid. See this the delete column. Okay, these are the option. You have to click on the delete. There are option delete cell. अगर सेल डिलीट करना हो तो सेल डिलीट सेल पे आपको क्लिक करना है सिलेक्ट करके, या कॉलम डिलीट करना हो तो आपको कॉलम सिलेक्ट करके डिलीट कॉलम या रोज. ओके, एंड ऑल टेबल डिलीट टेबल. Now see inserting rows or column. How to insert rows or column? To insert rows or column in a table, following steps should be followed. Step number 1, select any cell, row or column where you want to insert a row or column. जिधर भी आपको सेल इंसर्ट, सिलेक्ट एनी सेल, कौन सा भी आपको एक सेल सिलेक्ट करना है where you want to insert row or column. Step number 2, click on table tools layout tab. In the row and column group, click on insert above, insert below, insert left or insert right. Option to insert rows or column. It will accordingly insert new row or column in the table. See here insert above, इधर जो ऑप्शन दिखाई दे रहे हैं insert above, okay, insert below, insert left or insert right. You have to click on this insert above, the insert option in the rows and columns group, like this, about inserting rows or columns.